Hey haters, Judy here from Just8ate.com. Now today we're going to be making Korean glass noodles that's gluten-free and vegetarian happy, and it's going to be called Korean Japchea noodles. Alright, let's hit the kitchen. We're going to make japchea. We're going to bring water to a boil for the japchea noodles. 1 teaspoon of pure sesame oil, medium heat. If you want to learn how to marinate your own bulgogi, go ahead and check out that video. I'm going to put that video in the iCard on the screen, as well as the link in the description box below. But for this bulgogi, we're going to make it with japchea. So for the japchea, we're going to use 3 tablespoons of sugar cane sugar, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of pure sesame oil, fresh cracked pepper, and then 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, and now the water is boiling, so we're going to go ahead and put in our noodles. Vermicelli noodles. It says to boil your noodles for 5 to 8 minutes. Cover it up. So the bulgogi is done, so we're going to go ahead and put it aside. I'm just stirring it around to make sure that the noodles are not sticking to the bottom of the pan, and making sure that they're coming out clearly like this color, kind of like a tint of, it's definitely clear, but it's kind of like gray clear. Hopefully you guys could see that. Alright, so I'm going to let it sit in the hot water for a couple more minutes with the lid on top. I'm going to put it for 2 more minutes here. Now we're going to go ahead and saute some veggies. Put 1 teaspoon of pure sesame oil and some bell peppers, some spinach, carrots, shiitake mushrooms. And remember, these are dried mushrooms and they have been soaked in hot water and now sliced and putting in here with the mushroom juice. And then just saute these bad boys. Cover for 2 minutes, and then our noodles is looking good. And then we're gonna wash it with cold water 2 to 3 minutes and then drain it. Alright, so the veggies have steamed pretty well, and now I'm gonna go ahead and add my noodles here that I washed and cooled down. Here's my sauce that we made earlier. Mixing it in before I pour it in. And mix it in. My heat is on medium-low. Cooking chopsticks here. Mixing it in. It smells really good. Now this is the step when it's up to you if you want to put the bulgogi in, but if you have vegetarian friends, then this right here is all vegetarian. So this is vegetarian japchea right here. If you want to add some pork or beef or chicken, this is the time to add it in. As we did earlier, we cooked the bulgogi, so you could add it in here. We're gonna eat it separately, so we're making vegetarian japchea here. I'm gonna let it simmer on low. Tell me how it tastes. Let me know what you really think, okay?
Alright. Did you follow the recipe?
Nope. Fine-tune it.
Okay, so the sauce has a balanced sweet and savory flavor.
Okay.
And the noodles have like a springy and bounce.
Nice. Thumbs up? Okay. Here's an option to put the bulgogi on top of your japchea, just like that. If you are wanting to make bulgogi at home, just like as right here, go ahead and check out that video, how to make bulgogi and japchea together.
Do you have some too?
Yes, dear. So japchea is normally, you could eat japchea cold, but in our household we like to eat it warm. But japchea is a side dish normally, but we like to eat it as a main dish with bulgogi on top. Hopefully you enjoyed this recipe and we have expanded your minds with chasing your palate and trying new things. And so comment down below if you would like to give this japchea a try. And so always thank you so much for watching, my aters, and we'll see you in the next video.
I'm going to be doing a shout out next from my last uploaded video. Stay tuned.
Did you know that we did a cookbook? Check out our link in the description box below. And remember, friends,
Expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my aters.
See you in the next video. See you in the next video.